uniforms, health and nutritional supplements. So we have been there in Sundarban with the help of patrons and benefactors like you for a long time. And then this thing happened on 20th of May, this super cyclone Amphan, and we found that we are back to square one. Sundarban was again damaged, again destroyed, and this is our Facebook page. I invite all of you to visit our page, like it, and see whatever activities we are doing. All the activities we could do was courtesy you only. Team Python, Kishore Babu, Abhijit Babu, Dr. P.P. Roy, and everyone, all the participants of the workshops, they have donated handsomely. We would always be grateful for this help you have forwarded to the people of Sundarbans. We have already conducted 6 camps. Currently, right now, our volunteers are there. Senior doctors like Dr. M.K. Das, who is the President of Cardiological Society of India. They are distributing relief at Sagar Deep. Most of you must be knowing that Sagar Deep was one of the most affected place during this Amphan. We have helped about 10,000 people already, courtesy these camps. We have donated useful things like tarpaulin, then dry food, medicines, etc. We have given mosquito nets, masks. We have also tried to tackle the the COVID crisis. So we have donated also sanitizers and soaps. Right now, our people are there. They wanted to join, but I don't think the network is supporting them at Sagar Deep. They are in the interior of Sagar Deep. Actually, they are at a place called Baman Khali near the Muriganga river. So these are some pictures which we have. This was at our last camp, which took place in the interior of Pathar Pratima block in Sundarbans. This is a video which shows it took us 1 hour to cross the river from Ramganga to Pathar Pratima. We took a launch to cross the river. This is the Botchura river. We could see on both sides how the mangrove has been destroyed, how the ghats has been destroyed. This is our photographer. Our team members. This is a video which shows the people who received help courtesy Team Python and other benefactors. We have already helped 10,000 people and spent around 11 lakhs rupees. We intend to build 30 permanent homes in the interior of Sundarban in Sandesh Khali in a village called Ghumte, which is in the famous Tiger Reserve, the Shamsher Nagar Tiger Reserve. We will be going there on 1st July. Some of you might be knowing that 1st July is celebrated in our country as Doctor's Day. This is another video. Our members, last week we went to Siddhan Nagar in Pathar Pratima. It took us 6 hours to reach from Calcutta by car. Then we had to cross the river. Finally, we had to walk for about 2 kilometers. And this is some image. This is the ghat which has been destroyed at Ramganga. This is a community kitchen which we ran about 250 meals during lunchtime were fed to the affected people at Parbotipur and Projaghari in Jharkari Bazar in the Basanti block. Nutritious and healthy food was served. All this could have happened because of the blessings we received from people like Team Python and all the other people who have come forward to help us. This is how food was being served. Hello. Our members are there. Dr. Khan is there. Mr. Sanjay Hom Chaudhary are there. Will you like to say something, sir? I can see in the. Am I audible? Was I audible to everyone?
You are audible.
Okay. Mr. Sanjay Hom Chaudhary is there. Sanjay da, please join in.
Hello.
This is.
Hello, Subhadra.
Can you hear us?
Yeah, I can.
Can you hear us?
Yes.
Yes, we can hear you.
Subhadra, could you unmute yourself? Yeah. Can you hear us?
Yes, we can hear you.
We can hear you.
Bamanbadi at Sagar.
So could you present? You go to the click. Or do you?
Subhadra.
Oh, you don't have to present. Just.
Can you hear us?
Yes, we can hear you. Everyone can hear you. Our Vice President Dr. M.K. Das.
We are at Bamonbari at Sagardip.
Yeah.
Bamonkhali at the Sagardip Island. Our today's second program, second Amphan relief camp is going on. This is the interior of Sundarban.
Before you go ahead, could I just make a request? Whoever is presenting
get the
right
benefit.
now,
We are just getting ready
stop
for
presentation.
our second camp today. In the morning time, we have completed distribution in one camp, and now the second camp, the distribution is going on. The distribution materials are here, and there are lots of other materials behind it. And the people who will be distributed, they are coming. They have started to come. Here is the people of Sundarban Sagardip, very much affected by Amphan, and these are the real needy people who should get the support from Nishabda Angikar Welfare Association. We are trying to reach to the real needy people who are affected by this devastating cyclone Amphan.
Can I make a request to Arshia, Grace, or whoever is presenting? Now we should be able to see the speakers.
We are very much thankful to Python for giving us the support to carry out this kind of very much in the inner part of Sundarban. Now we are his camp things, and we are doing the things in the Bamonkhali, that is in the deeper part of the Sundarbans, and in this is in Sagardip, and we are really once again extending our very much regards as well as thanks to Python for giving us the support at the right moment. Thank you very much for this Amphan relief and all the arrangements and encouragement given by Python.
Thank you, sir. You are doing a great job.
Thank you all.
Thank you all.
We must thank you. You are doing the real work.
We must thank you. You are doing the real job. You people are doing the real job.
Noble job you are doing.
Yes.
Hello, this is Raj Sagar,
Yeah.
Welcome, sir.
Bamankhali.
Hi, sir. Welcome,
We
sir.
are very grateful to Python Group, and we extend our support wherever Python needs us. Will be there. Thank you, Python, for all help you have given.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Before signing off, You carry on the good work. I came to know about Python Cursor EU, that is a cutting edge technology. Just one thing I want to assure everyone, we have got the final master list and we will be sending you the receipts very soon. Everyone will receive the receipt in their email in PDF format. Please rest assured, within a week, everyone will get all their receipts. Thank you once again, Abhijit Babu, Kishore Babu, PTR sir, everyone and everyone. Thanks everyone for giving us the opportunity to help the people of Sundarbans. So you carry on with your good work and keep blessing us. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Chakraborty. We are very happy to have you with us. I mean, this is Abhijit Kargupta.
Yeah,
yes.
I have very much take challenge, but now I have picked up certain things courtesy you all.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you sir, so much. Thank you so much. You people are doing the real job.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.